How ancient humans moved massive stones without machines. Across the ancient world, massive stones stand in silence. Some weigh tens, even hundreds of tons. They were moved across mountains, deserts, and seas long before machines, engines, or steel tools existed. How did ancient civilizations transport stones that seem impossible to move even today? This is not a story of myths, but of human ingenuity at the edge of what we still struggle to explain. A global mystery. From the pyramids of Egypt to stone circles in Europe, enormous blocks appear in places where logic alone feels insufficient. At Stonehenge, stones weighing up to 40 tons were transported over 200 kilometers. On Easter Island, nearly 900 massive statues were carved and moved without wheels, metal, or draft animals. In South America, the stone walls of Sacsayhuaman contain blocks so precisely fitted that even modern tools struggle to replicate them. These structures demand explanation. What we know for certain. First, an important truth. Ancient civilizations were not primitive. They possessed advanced knowledge of materials, a deep understanding of terrain, a strong social organization, immense human labor power. No evidence supports lost advanced machines or unknown technologies. What exists instead is a collection of real, testable methods, some proven, others still debated. Rollers, sleds, and leverage. One of the most widely supported theories involves wooden sledges and rollers. In ancient Egypt, wall reliefs clearly show large statues pulled on sleds by hundreds of workers. Water poured in front of the sled reduced friction, a fact confirmed by modern physics experiments. Levers, ramps, and counterweights multiplied human strength. No single worker moved the stone. Communities did. This method explains many constructions, including parts of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Yet some stones remain puzzling, especially those moved across uneven or mountainous terrain, sliding on stone and ice. In colder regions, another possibility emerges: ice and frozen ground. Experiments in northern climates show that heavy stones slide far more easily over ice or wet clay than dry land. In tropical areas, lubricated stone tracks may have served a similar purpose. This theory gains attention in explaining how Easter Island statues were moved. Rather than dragged flat, some evidence suggests they were rocked upright, slowly walking forward using ropes and controlled motion. Surprisingly, modern reenactments show this is physically possible. Logistics, not magic. Perhaps the most underestimated factor is logistics. Ancient builders planned for years, sometimes generations. Roads were prepared. Terrain was modified. Stones were shaped at quarries to reduce weight before transport. The mystery is not brute strength, but coordination, patience, and engineering foresight. Still, some cases remain incomplete. No written instructions survive. Some quarries are missing. Some transport routes remain unidentified. What remains unexplained? Even with modern engineering, moving stones over 100 tons remains difficult and costly. Why did ancient societies invest such effort? Was it religious devotion? Political power? Social unity? We may never know all the answers, but absence of full explanation does not imply impossibility. Only incomplete knowledge. The mystery of transporting massive stones without machines does not diminish ancient civilizations. It elevates them. These monuments are not proof of lost technology, but of human cooperation pushed to extraordinary limits. If this exploration challenged your assumptions, consider liking this video and subscribing to Interesting MindHub. More documentaries await, each one uncovering what humanity has always been capable of.